Hello everyone, Nate Kopic here with Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2002 Dodge Ram 1500, stock number 28496AT. This one is blue in color. Does have a chrome grille. Looks like a little dent right here in this fender. Headlights are yellow. It's got a dent right here in the front bumper. This is actually how the hood opens, so you go in there and pop the hood and pull that bad boy. Grille's a little broken there. Dent here in the fender. It's pretty dented up. Tires don't look terrible. Maybe about 35–40% left. Steel wheels. That's nice. Rain guards. Take a look on the inside. Pretty dirty, carried over into the inside. We got power locks, mirrors, and windows. Rip in the seat here. Rip in the center console. Got an aftermarket CD player in there. An auxiliary port and a USB charger. Your climate controls. Cruise control. Rockers are pretty rusted out on that side as well. Take a look down here. That's all the way through the front. Oh. Nothing really special here in the back seat. There's a quarter back there. Does have the soft top tonneau cover. Custom hole on the side of the bed. A lot of rust on that side actually. This thing is equipped to tow with both pin options. Inside of the bed actually looks like it's in pretty good shape. Scratched up a little bit, but no, really not what you'd expect after seeing the fenders. Nice scratch all the way down the side of it. Might make somebody a good work truck. Definitely was used as a work truck, you can tell. Again, this is a 2002 Dodge Ram 1500, stock number 28496AT. I'm Nathan Kopic. Stop in and see me today, or give me a call at 937-778-0830. Also, make sure to visit our website, sherrychrysler.com.